Hello everyone, it's Frank again with a new ATV video. If you've been keeping up with my Can-Am videos, you know that I put some bigger tires on there. And bigger tires on an ATV means you need a clutch kit. That way those tires don't burn through your belt. So today we are installing just that. It's a Dalton clutch kit 800M, which is apparently the mudding version of the kit. I gotta say, I was highly impressed with this kit. The instructions were extremely detailed and everything seems to be pretty good quality, and so far it worked. Then again, I haven't really tested it much other than driving it up and down my driveway. The install is pretty simple. You just gotta remove the housing cover, and then once the cover is off, you take off the primary, you switch out the weights on it, put the spring in, reattach the primary, then take off the secondary, put the new spring in, and reattach the secondary. So with a little holiday flair, I'll let you guys enjoy. Something I didn't show in the video that I probably should have was me torquing down the primary and secondary clutch bolts. It's very important. They will come out if you don't torque them down fully, or at least put some Loctite on them. Other than that though, the install is pretty simple. As always, if you enjoy this kind of content, please like, share, and subscribe. And if you have any questions, leave me a comment below. Thanks for watching and Merry Christmas.